What up, everybody? What up, you hookers? How you doing? What up, you sick hookers? How's everybody today? I can't go live on Instagram, so I'm doing this again for right now. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Is the most important thing. You should be able to hear me, yes. Sweet. Clear as day. Awesome. Clear as day. All right, hold on. I'm just doing one more thing, then we're going to start doing some analysis. I don't know. Today, hooker's the word for me. I don't know why. You hooks. Hook's the word today. Just finishing up something real quick, then we'll do some analysis on some stuff. Finishing up a couple things, guys. You hooks. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. We should have some haters in here today too, which will be great. I love it when haters come in here. Because they're salty bitches, and I like salty bitches. So, alright, so let's start with the US 30. You salty, salty bitches. US 30, we are coming up. Let's change these a little bit. To maybe right in here. Right there. We are at an area that is of importance right now. This was an area where on April 29th it made a move from right here at this 34,082 level. So we want to see how it reacts around here. Okay. If we buy, as we always talk about, we want to see a break above pretty significantly, a pullback, and then a rejection candle to buy up. Conversely, if we want to sell, we want to start seeing that rejection candle forming right here where we're at now with that wick that would be longer than the body, and then we could sell down into there. So this is the level where we want to make a move. We just got to either see it pull above, and we got 28 minutes before the closing of the next candle. So we either want to see it pull above and pull back, then give us the rejection candle to buy, or we want to start seeing it here in the next 27 minutes, start rejecting this level to start to potentially go down and do sells. So that would be on the US 30. So we want to pay attention to this level here and see what it does. So let's go to the next one. On the pound yen. Pound yen is an uptrend. We are looking for buys. There was a great buy right here for those who pay attention, but usually most people don't because most people are idiots. But there was a great buy signal right there on that candle. Looks like there's a potential for us to come back up to 154.43 right there. So we are obviously again looking for opportunities to buy, but we can't buy when the market's going up because we're not idiots like most YouTube streamers are idiots. So we want to see a break above this 154.04 level again, and then a pullback to that level, and then we'll trade it up to there. Or we start rejecting here again. But that was a great buy signal there for those that pay attention, but most people don't because they're idiots, and most people are stupid morons, and that's the society we live in because they'd rather be stupid than pay attention to stuff that will help them in their trading. They'd rather be unbelievable morons. And I've come to grips with the fact that most people are stupid and will remain stupid for the rest of their lives because their moms dropped them on when they were babies, so they're just really dumb. And you have a perfect example of that here with this guy in the Panda chat. Perfect example of people that I think their moms probably dropped them on their heads. Yeah, you are dumb. So he's probably in here, which is great. Look at this. How much is the account at? How much did you grow? How much did you scam EA? What are you talking about, my scam EA? What are you talking about, Mona Sija? The scam EA that's up right now? What are you talking about? The scam EA that's up right now? Look at this. Your scam EA. What's scammy about the EA? What do you mean? The EA that is up right now? That's in the profit right now? Even if you give your signals for free, no one is going to trade them. Maybe some teens who are oppressed with your hate. Ugh. Then he says, luring people into your signals group again, desperate for money, not making enough with your trading account. You are right, though. People are dumb. Oh my gosh, it's just so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. I am not desperate for money. Not desperate for money. I do the same thing that everyone else does. The same thing that everybody else does. They run promotion stuff. They do these things. That's just business. I do the same thing that everybody else does. But because you're too stupid to understand that, everybody does that. Everybody does it. But you're dumb. You're really, really dumb. So you make stupid comments like that because you're dumb. Luring people into your signals. Learn Business 101. Goat lover. That's my go-to one, to be honest with you. So the signals that he say are terrible, just so everybody knows, the signals that he said are terrible. Look, we lost on this one. Let's just go over it right now because we got 23 minutes before the next one. We lost on this one. Okay, we lost. We lose sometimes. This one was a killer trade. The GA was a killer trade. We lost on the XRP one right there. Sometimes you lose. But that GA one was a killer trade. So let's just start going over them because people are stupid and they like to act stupid. So you have a loss on the oil one, you have a win on the GA, and you have a loss on the XRP. So out of the last three signals, two of them have lost and one of them has won. But let's just keep going because people are really dumb. Oh, look at the one on May 4th. Oh man, there's another one. Buy US 30 at 33,900. Stop at 33,700. Take profit at 34,500. Let's just go to that one. Let's just look at that one real quick because you are really dumb. Let's just look at that one. Let's go to the US 30 for May 4th, right here. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is so weird. May 4th, right there. 34,763. Okay, what was the signal? Oh yeah, it never stopped out. That's right. Oops, you're dumb. So May 4th, it went to 30. We said 33,900 buy. It went down, but it never stopped you out. And look at that. That's just really, really weird. It's really weird. What a terrible signal. Look at that. What a terrible signal. I cannot believe what shitty signals this is. What a terrible signal. Look at that. Buy at 33,900. It makes a low of 33,763. Look at that. What a terrible signal. Take profit at 34,500. Oh, that's all the way up here. Oh, that's 600 points. Oh, that's so terrible. It's so terrible. So terrible. Awful. Awful trading. Awful. So that's that signal that got 600 points. And you could add more if you would have held on. Terrible trading though, right? I mean, just awful, awful trading. Mona Sija. So there's that one. Okay, let's go look at this. Let's go look at the next one. Buy XRP at 156 on May 3rd. Stop loss 148. We might have lost on that one too. Let's go look because it's all about transparency, right? On May 3rd at 156. Let's just go look. Maybe we lose on that one, right? Maybe we lose. That's fine. So, but the ones we're winning on are massive and the ones we're losing on are small. Buy gold. Oh, that one was terrible. Yeah, buy gold. That one was awful. Stops to break even at 30, 40 points. I mean, these signals are the best signals around and it's not even close. But you have idiots like this Mona Sija guy. And these signals are disgustingly good. Disgustingly good. Oh, look at that. Buy GJ at 151.10 on April 19th. Oh, so bad. Oh, so bad. Buy GDP Aussie. That one worked really well. Oh, they're just so bad. I'm telling you. It's amazing what idiots. What idiots these people are. Um, 100 versus 0. I don't know about that. It seems like he's actually been doing pretty well in his stream, but again, if you make the kind of money you say you're going to make, I don't know why you live at your parents' house. That's all I'm going to say. I mean, it seems like he's actually doing pretty good. He's actually making a little bit of money and actually doing okay. But if you're making the kind of money that he says he makes, you would think that you would want to get out of your parents' house because you stream from your bedroom in your parents' house. You think you would want to get your own place. I'm just saying. Oh, he's live right now. He's still. Oh no, it ended. Okay, it ended. Okay, so let's go and take a look here. So he got a break even today, but he's actually been doing pretty good. But if you make the kind of money, if you make the kind of money that you say you make, 20 to 40,000, get your own place. Get your own place. Don't stream from your parents' house. Because he always makes fun of me for streaming from my laundry room or trading from my laundry room. At least it's my own laundry room. At least it's mine. At least I own it. You stream from your parents' house, from your bedroom in your parents' house. We just went over that, Gads, but you weren't here, so we'll do it again. Gosh dang it, man. Just get here when you're supposed to get here, man. All right, we'll do it again. You stream from your parents' house. I'm just saying that. You have no room to talk and make fun of people who trade from their laundry room. At least it's my own laundry room. You have to ask permission from your parents to do your laundry. I could do my laundry without asking permission from my parents. Just saying. All right. Anyways, it's been a while since I've talked about Little Boy Blue. Little Boy Blue. Little Boy Blue, aka Controller FX. It's been a while. Okay, so there's the support level, resistance level we're coming up to right now at 34,086, right? This is a resistance level from April 29th area right here. Can you see it even? I might need to move this, huh? I'm not even able to see this. I don't know what's going on with my... Can you not see where those things are? Anyways, this level here is a key level. And what we're looking for here is we're looking for either reject this level, that red level that I have that it's at right now, or we're looking for it to push above and then pull back for a buy. Does that make sense, Scotty? So we want rejection here, which it looks like it's trying to form a rejection candle here. Or we want it to break above, pull back, and then we go up to the next levels. I really think we're going to start rejecting here and we're going to get some more sell opportunities. That's what I prefer and that's what I'm looking for, but we'll just have to see. But this is the level that we're looking at. This is the level we're looking at. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll keep an eye on that, okay? And while we keep an eye on that, you know, because it's important to keep an eye on that, we have a little bit of time. We should watch this because this is what it's all about right here.
For a limited time,
This is what it's all about. At the end of the day, this is all that matters right here. This is all that matters. You got Mona Sicha. You got Mona Sicha. Mona right there. Here's Mona.
Yeah, that's when Smith turns it on.
This is what it's all about right here.
Big, just missed the left or right.
Oh,
Smith's connecting
Smith's
now.
pouring it on.
He's got one hand. This could be over, guys. Smith is taking control, but this guy doesn't back down. He's eating a ton of leather.
This is what it's all about.
Oh, we got blood. Smidge is wailing on him now.
Wailing.
The champ is taking control.
Smidge is all man.
All man.
He's showing ring generalship that
Yeah,
I
he's got
haven't
his
seen in a
glove
long
on.
time.
Just face
Oh,
washed him.
oh,
man. He's got to get his hands up.
That looked like he thought he stopped.
Yep.
Smidge hit him with a left, right, left.
Oh,
Smidge just dominating.
KO's on wobbly legs.
Smidge.
This is what it's all about right here.
All right.
This is what it's all about.
Again, it's time to go to bed here, folks.
Full on day for the boys.
Look at him. He's just looking at her like, what up?
Yeah, it's going to be very interesting how this turns into a blackout.
I don't know.
I have no idea. It's like the switching from the ice to the ring.
I know we have like a countdown clock.
Really?
This is what it's all about.
Look at how packed this place is, Dave. It's
Here we go.
This is what it's all about. This is Mona Sicha right here. Mona Sicha is this guy. And this is us just knocking his sorry ass out.
Not too far to go either, to be honest.
No, it touched his toes.
Oh, big right. Big right. These guys are stellar, though, because...
Oh, a little trip.
no. All right.
Smidge loves the ground and pound. He
Loves the ground and pound.
Oh, no.
that's when you just don't want to laugh.
No, you don't laugh.
He just put everything behind that. I mean everything.
I mean everything.
Ali shuffle, no,
Yeah.
Dan. That was the
Oh,
Ali.
again.
I'm not...
He's leaving it all.
That's what it's all about, folks. Right there. That is Mona Sicha. Mona Sicha. You unbelievable little coward. That is what it's all about right there. That's what it's about. It's about little pussies like Mona Sicha. That's what it's all about, man. That's good stuff. Okay, let's look at what we got. So we got, it looks like XRP could be a a decent sell opportunity coming up too. So XRP looks like if this candle forms the way it's forming right now, that we could definitely get potential for a sell on XRP. And the reason we would be doing a sell on the XRP is because that wick at the top is longer than the body, right? And it makes sense, obviously watching those two fight, that anything that the arm's longer than the body is something that people might believe is not something that's humanly possible. But if you look at this again, if we just go back to this, you can see there are a lot of things that the arms or the wicks or the tails are longer than the body of the candle or longer than the body of the person. So you can see here that this basically shows to you that
He looked over.
it's possible.
I felt so bad. I feel bad now.
But he left it all on the field.
He's doing it. Yeah.
Oh, he looked over when he fell again. He thinks we're laughing every time.
No,
We got to keep straight faces on commentary here.
Oh no.
Oh, Smidge.
Oh no. He's like the knight in what's it called?
Monty Python.
Monty Python.
Yeah, just a flesh wound.
He's got fucking no legs and no
Yeah.
arms. He's like, it's just a scratch.
Great fight. And he winks at Chris. Great fight.
He left it all out there. You cannot hate on a warrior like that.
No.
Yes.
And you know what? He brought a lot of attention to this entire thing.
Listen, I like my guys. I don't care if you know you can't get to the foul ball. Dive for it.
Dive for the foul ball.
Dive. Heavyweight champion of the world. Deserved it.
There's a reason Smidge has the title.
There it is, right there. So I'm going to do one more because we got a few more minutes. This is almost as good as this one right here. The Friday night Antifa SmackDown, which is great. And we got some time, so we're going to do this.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're unpacking shields. We are flipping
This is great.
tables. We're
It's Friday night Antifa SmackDown.
pulling out Soros signs. You know what that means. It's Friday night, Antifa SmackDown. And as you can see, Antifa is revved and ready to go on this Friday night. They've got tons of signs. They've got trash can lids, plywood that they're dummying as shields. They've even got their work boots on. And now you can see here
This is
outside
great.
the precinct, they're trying to play Red Rover.
This is great. They're trying to play Red Rover. Listen to this. The commentary on this stuff is great.
It appears with a police vehicle. This is not going to go well for them. The police are being tolerant right now. One of the commies has pajama pants on.
One of the commies. One of the commies.
And there they go. You can see they've got the automatic paintball. Oh, and the whole line goes down. And now they're just confused. They still haven't let go, but they're all on the ground writhing. And this police officer, oh, he's just having fun at this point. Points out his target, lights him up. 100% accuracy.
100% accuracy.
Stiff arm to the ground, full mount. And this commie's calling for mommy now.
Mommy, mommy.
Like a little bitch. Oh, and he's crying for mommy. No, mommy's not coming to get you. As you can see here in the slow motion replay. Incredible accuracy from the officer. Fires about 6 shots. Every single one of them hitting the dirtbag commie.
Dirtbag
One hitting
commie.
his fellow officer. As you can see, the officers have their knees on the faces of the commie scum. And they're going to be roughed up. I think they may need bandages and Novocaine.
Novocaine.
And pretzels as their little game of Red Rover fails. And their buddy cries like a bitch for mommy. Well, it appears maybe the communists have had enough.
This is the best one right here. This next one is the best one. You got to listen to this. This one is great.
I'm going to try to reach a deal here. Let's hear the proposal.
They're going to try and reach a deal with the police. It's amazing. It's just back up.
We going back the fuck up. No? You shut the fuck up.
All right, it appears no deal has been reached. Nope, none indeed. The police officer said, no, here's our deal.
Here's our deal. Get the hell out of here.
Get some bumps and bruises along the way. And just listen to the paintballs fire.
Nope. Here's our deal. Here's our deal.
Rapid rate right here. I mean, hundreds of rounds being fired. Eat paint, commie, as these police officers aren't going to have any of this. Now, you can see the police. I think they may be enjoying this. I think I may have seen one of them smiling as the media is standing by filming this beautiful exchange, laughing in the light.
Here's our deal. That's just good stuff right there. That is good stuff. Here's our deal. No deal. Back up. Here's our deal. No deal. Boom, boom, boom. Paintballs. Just saying. That's pretty good stuff. We should keep going on this. We've got a few more minutes. We'll give it another 3 minutes because then we'll start looking at charts again. That one was good.
As the dirtbag commies scatter like cockroaches. We got a lady here. She is upset that Antifa is getting beat up in the street. She's flicking off the police officers, now leaning out of her car and slams into the car in front of her. Oh, how embarrassing. And now she's frustrated, banging her hands against the steering wheel. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, her hero, is now dead. She has not had a very good day, and now she's going to have to pay some damages out to the car in front of her, probably maybe even totaled her own car. She's slamming onto the steering wheel, screaming, oh, and it just got even worse. The cops are already on the scene. Oh, let's hear what this meth head has to say.
Fuck easy, you fucking dumbass. Don't fucking come near me. Oh, because I'll beat you up with my bare fist. Don't. Are you done? No, I'm not done at all. You're the one that's...
Takes a little bit of that bear mace right to the face. Oh, look at the form. Look at the form. The lean in with the right hand, keeping the arm straight. All right, President Trump now heading to Marine One to catch the latest Antifa Friday Night Smack. Oh, what a save! What a save by Brutus! Oh my gosh, it's the save of the day. Queen Melania was about to go down. Her heel was caught in the grass, and 45 with the save of the day. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you know that President Trump and Queen Melania like to catch Friday Night Antifa Smackdown in Marine One, and Melania Trump almost went down, but 45 had her. Oh, he's a true hero. Unbelievable. As he gets on Marine One, the salute, and oh, total victory as President Trump is about to watch Antifa Friday Night Smackdown. All right, we've got a ferry.
This is a good one.
We've got an Antifa ferry. Seems to be lost from the crowd, but that's not going to stop him. He still wants to stop traffic. Oh, that's not a match you can win. Oh, then flailing at the car. His Harry Potter wand goes flying. Uh-oh, and this guy's come out of the driver's seat and into the street, and he has a full mount. Oh, 1, 2, 3 right hooks. 3 right hooks. Now he forward with the freedom smash to the face. He asked him if he wants more left hook. And good night.
It's so lovely. It's so lovely. He just, like, dude thinks he's going to get away with it. We need more people like that. When these people come and try and trash your car and stuff, he literally gets out of his car and just beats the living daylights out of the person. It's great. We need more people like that. And apparently you need more people like that in Canada, Gaz, because apparently the guy, that pastor got arrested, that was talking about the police coming to his place of worship, and they arrested him for having a large gathering, and he was calling them Gestapos and everything. Apparently you guys need to nut up in Canada a little bit more. Letting these communist losers arrest people. Look at that. How about that one? First of all, he makes fun of my religion, which is fine. You can do that. He said, oh, the EA is up how much in 2 months? I mean, it's up more than you need a little wee-wee. You can't even get that up. There's a blue pill for that. Yeah, it's crazy, dude. You need to get out of there. Mona Sicha, of your signals would be as great as you keep telling us. You wouldn't need to sell them, you Mormon moron. Everyone sells them. Everyone sells signals. Jeff sells signals. All of them sell signals. So if they're really good, you aren't gonna take the opportunity to have different, different sources of income. Everyone does that, dude. Everyone does that. So it's funny that look at the logic on that. If your signals were so great as you keep telling us, you wouldn't need to sell them. Everyone does it, buddy. Look at that. It's so hilarious. Everyone does it, man. Everybody does it. I'm no different than anybody else. No different. But because you're such a moron, I mean, look at this. Look at the logic of these people. If they were so good, you wouldn't have to sell them. Everyone does that. You have people like Daniel Savage who have 1,200 people that pay him $150 a month, and his signals are shit. Everyone does it, bro. So put your little boy pants back on. I mean, it's up more than your little wee-wee. Let's just be honest. You know, let's just be honest. It's up more than your little wee-wee. You can't even get that up. Honestly, it's so hilarious. All right, so we got 3 minutes left in this, and the one that would be the best right now would be XRP for a sell. So if we get the signal in 2 minutes, the one that looks the best is XRP. Let's go look at pound Aussie. No. GJ is close, but I don't like the tail at the bottom with the wick. Now if it closes in 2 minutes and it closes the gap on that, then possibly. But the best one out there looking right now is XRP. XRP would be a good sell right now. And so if that happens in the next few minutes, I will take a sell on XRP. Okay, because you have the wick at the top that's longer than the body. That's what we look for. This is the perfect signal. And if we lose, we lose. That's no big deal. I have buys on XRP from way lower, and that's fine. So if we lose on this signal, it's totally okay. I'll be right back, guys. All right. So anyway, we'll do that there, and then we'll look. He's got responses for me. This is his response now because he knows that what he said is complete nonsense. So now he just says, "This all shows your intelligence." No, you're the one that literally said that if my signals were so good, why do I sell them? And I said, everybody does that. And he's like, yes, just shows your intelligence. You know what shows my intelligence? My 4-year degree and my master's degree. Do you know what shows my intelligence? My 8 years of college. Oh, so now he's like, who sells them? Oh, so now it's I don't even write invoices, so I must not be professional. Anyways, let's get back to it. All right, so you did have it, so we're gonna place that sell on it, just because the numbers dictate that we do. Okay, so there it is. We placed that trade, live trade in a live account right now. No hiding behind trading view because we don't do that here in my stream. We don't hide behind trading view. So I just took a sell on XRP because the numbers dictate that I take a sell on XRP. So yeah. So we'll run with that one right now. As you can see, we're in gold buys. Both of them are in profit. So we'll see what happens. But it looks like a good trade. It's working out so far. Any other questions before we take off? Because I'm just going to have fun in here with these guys because it's just hilarious. Or we can just keep this going for a little while. I don't even care. But I'm going to be typing away in this because these guys are just, they're utter morons. They are literally utter morons. And it's amazing to see. It is just great.
Red Rover, it appears with a police vehicle. This is not going to go well for them. The police are being tolerant right now. One of the commies has pajama pants on and light them up, police. And there they go. You can see they've got the automatic paintball. Oh, and the whole line goes down. And now they're just confused. They still haven't let go, but they're all on the ground.
You know what's really great about it too is when you actually do live trades in a live account with people watching, and you don't have to hide behind TradingView. Oh, what's up, brother? What's up, Yeesh? How you doing, brother? You know what's really funny is when you don't have to hide behind TradingView, you can see the live trades I'm in right now in my account, and I don't have to hide behind TradingView. And then you get morons like this Mona Sicha person, who is probably got dropped on his head as a kid. And you get idiots like this Mona Sicha person that when you call him out for his bullcrap, he just changes the goalpost of his argument right there. You brought up you run a business. Damn, you're just insanely dumb. I mean, I don't know. My master's degree in clinical and forensic psychology would say differently. I don't know about that. So it's just really funny when you call them out for their nonsense. You don't even look at this. You don't even write. Oh, here's another great response coming. Oh, can't wait for this response. So find me one person that is happy with your signals. Oh, oops, there it is. There. Oh. Hiding behind TradingView means you don't have your live terminal up. Nacha Dong, you don't have your live terminal up when you're trading. You don't have your MT4 platform up when you're trading. You hide behind TradingView, which doesn't show your account. So you're streaming and you're trading and you're hiding behind TradingView, and you don't have your terminal up. That's what it means. That's what it means. So people who stream and say they do massive amounts of money and they make massive amounts of money, they never show you the trades they're in their live accounts. They hide behind TradingView because it will hide everything for them. No, and again, you're misunderstanding what I'm saying. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying they don't show it on Instagram afterwards, and I'm not talking bad about Raja. I'm done talking bad about most people. They don't show the terminal while they're streaming. They may show it afterwards, but they don't show it while they're streaming. There's a difference, right? So I'm talking about people who don't show it when they're streaming. I don't even know who that. I don't even know who that is. Is that them trying to make fun of me? He doesn't. He doesn't. Again, you're mistaken. And I'm not saying whatever. I'm not trying to. I'm done talking bad about that. But what you're saying is just wrong. It doesn't say. It doesn't show it in real time. No, he does not. He does not have his terminal up. You will never. I mean, we'll just show it again. Well, and again, I'm not trying to mock him. I'm done worrying about that. But just go to the stream. They do not have their terminal up when they're trading. I'm sorry. It's just, that's the truth. Okay. I have no issues with him, and I don't want issues. I don't care. Okay. But show me in this stream.
Wait, stop right there. 31,000.
Show me in this stream where they are showing their live terminal. That's what I'm talking about. You don't. So show me where the live terminal is right now. Show it to me. This is TradingView. Show me where his live terminal is with the trades he's in. That's all I'm saying. You're misunderstanding what I'm saying, and it's amazing that people continue to misunderstand what I'm saying.
Bullish till 1.81400.
Okay.
40 pips and price fell 60 more pips.
Okay, so who cares about the trade? I'm not, and again, I'm not mocking anybody. I'm not doing that because I'm done. I don't care and I don't worry about it anymore.
Gold,
but you don't see.
No, because we got news.
You don't see a live trade in there. I'm sorry that hurts your feelings, but it's the truth. Okay?
But look, for a very, very low fee. So I don't know.
Right there. There it is right there. Do you see an actual trade? Because if there was a trade in here right now, it would say a buy or sell on the screen right here. Right? It would say he bought right here, and it would say 2.0 buy right here. Right? That's what it would say. It doesn't say that, does it? So you're being dishonest when you say that he's doing it in real time. He's not. And again, I'm not making fun of anybody. I'm just saying they do not show it in real time. What you're saying is not true. I'm sorry. It's just not. So what I'm saying, and again, I understand. You can tell me that there was on May 11. Guys, again, you guys are. It's just unbelievable how much we can misunderstand what I'm saying. I'm just saying that when they stream, they don't show this. Look at what I have on here. Look at what I have here on gold. Okay, every trade you see that I'm in on gold right now on this account, you see it on the terminal. That's the only difference I'm saying. And I honestly can't believe you guys don't understand the difference. Do you see these? And these are a smaller account, right? But do you see these? If he was showing it live in real time, you would see that. They don't. Then why isn't that on the screen, Nacho Dong? Nacho Dong, why isn't that there? Why isn't that there? I'm not saying it matters as far as that it goes. It does. It's not there, bud. But anyways, let's focus on on what we're trying to accomplish today. And again, I have no issues with Raja. We talked. I have no issues. Period. I agree with you. But you're missing the preface of what I was saying. I'm one of the only people that when I'm streaming, okay, Obi, I want you to understand this because, again, when I'm streaming, I'm one of the only people that will show that I'm in the trades live on the MT4 terminal while I'm streaming. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. But you don't see this. That's what I'm saying. Anyone who does that, I agree with you. I 100% agree with you. On the 12th, showing his terminal. I'm just asking you, when they're in the trades, do you see that? Anyways, it's you guys can believe what you want, and that's fine. I hope you do well, and I hope he does well. That's not why I was talking about that. I'm just saying that I am one of the only people that randomly streams that will show you what trades I'm in while the stream is going on, not afterwards. But that's okay. I trust you, Nacho. Nacho, I don't have to go to that because I believe you. You come from, if you say it's true, then I'm going to believe you unless I can prove it's not. And right now I just don't want to. So I believe you. That's fine. Nacho, that's fine. I believe you. Okay, I know we live in a society where you say something most people don't believe. I believe you. If that's what you're saying, then good. That's good. Yeah, that's, again, I don't know why we're getting on that topic because I have no issues with him. So I would rather just focus on the trading. Whatever you want to do. If that's what you want to convince yourself that that's the way it is, then that's fine. Like I said, I'm not trying to bash him. I'm not trying to bash anyone. The only person that I am bashing is this not Mona Sicha person. What the heck? What the heck? Who is that? Man, people got a lot of time on their hands. Is that me? Yeah, they're trying to say that's me? Maybe that's me. I do have a big forehead. Maybe that's me. I don't know. That'd be cool. I mean, if it's me, I would think that you'd go with, I would probably go with a little bit more purple lipstick. I'd probably go with a little bit more shade of purple lipstick. So let's just fix this a little bit. I don't like the color of lipstick. I probably would go with a different color. So we're gonna fix it a little bit. I'd probably go with a little bit of a dark, I can't find purple on here. So I need to change this too. But I would go with a little bit darker, honestly. That would probably be like more of my style right there. I'd probably it would be a little bit darker color. I'd probably go with a little bit darker color on that. But yeah, I think that's pretty good. Anyway, so let's go back to analysis, right? Let's go back to analysis. The GJ is one that we liked, but we didn't quite get the signal. It was close, but you can see what it did. What did the GJ do here? It came up to this previous resistance area right here at 154.03. Buyers got rejected because of this candle right there. And now you're starting to see a little bit of a down move on the GJ because it came up. Right? It came up. Oops, I can't even see. Came up, it rejected that. You did not have enough buyers to push through. Sellers started to, and if you were a 10 pip scalper, you'd be up 10 pips right now and you'd be happy. Your day would be really good. So that was one that we looked at trading, but I didn't quite like it because of the tail at the bottom. But that was a good one. Your entry would have been basically where it is now. So, but I'm still a believer in the uptrend. So I'm not. If you look at the 4 hour is an uptrend, the daily is an uptrend, the weekly is an uptrend, and the monthly is a down. So 3 of the 4 time frames on the GJ are an uptrend. So I'm hesitant to do selling because of the trend on the higher time frames. The 4 hours uptrend. There's only one of the higher time frames that's a downtrend. So I'm a little bit more hesitant. I'd want to be looking for buys. Is what I would want. And the next area, if we come down to look for buys, is obviously the swing low at 153.54. This is what I would be looking for. If I was going to buy, I'd want it to come down to here to 153.54, or I'd want it to break above that 154.03, pull back, and then go up. But I'm a big believer in trying to trade with the trend as much as possible, and knowing that the higher time frames are an uptrend, I want to be doing that. So I wouldn't be looking for a sell. I mean, I could. You can counter trend it with this strategy, but for some reason I'm a little bit hesitant on that one. And we'll see how it goes. And our XRP is trying to give us a decent little trade, but it looks like it's not. And so we'll see. You might have a situation where you have a 1 hour sell signal followed by a 1 hour buy signal. But we'll give it till the end of the hour and we'll see. My stop loss on that, I'm going to want to have above that. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. The gold trades are going pretty well. I still think gold is inflation is starting to kick in the United States like crazy. So I still think gold is an up move, and I'm looking to buy at every chance I can, buy dips. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now. The inflation in the United States has gone up 4.2% in the last year. We're printing money like it's going out of style. So. I'm the only sexy one, though, to be honest with you. I'm just kidding. That's not right to say. All right. So we'll probably end it for now, boys and girls, because I don't need to be on here any longer than this. We've been doing it for a little while. You guys know what we look for. You know what the proper way to do things is. And honestly, I don't want to continually to give most of you sycophants any more time of my day, because, oh my gosh, you can't. And again, I never talked bad about anybody. I never talked bad. I just said there's a difference, and but this and that, because you have to defend the honor. All right, so we'll talk to you guys later.